Hello, my loves, on another exciting episode of I should be ready for a date night, but I am making videos. I just wanted to show you my Gucci Miss Gigi bag, and I thought it would be so perfect because I have on the Gucci colors for my date night outfit tonight. Oh, and my Gucci shoes. They're new and they're so comfortable. More about those later. The new bag is a pre-loved bag. It's canvas. I love the original Gucci canvas, like not the coated canvas, but just the untreated canvas. Let me just unbox this now so I can go over the bag in more detail. Oh, you're gonna love it. All right, y'all, here she is, the Gucci Miss Gigi bag. At first sight, the canvas looks to be in great condition, as well as the leather. You can see here I paid $365 for this on Fashion File. On the tag, it shows that the proper name for this is actually the Gucci Monogram Medium Miss Gigi Hobo. The leather on this bag is so beautiful. There's no stains, no watermarks. It does have that natural color variation, but that's just because it's leather. There's a little bit of wear, just that worn in, loved look, but there's nothing that is wrong with the leather. A couple of days after I filmed this, I actually saw an advertisement for the Coachtopia new Alter Ego. And I mentioned the Alter Ego satchel in my last video because a bag that I got was similar to the structure of the satchel. Well, the Hobo is similar to this style, which I really love, and later in the video I'll show that even the model on the website is wearing how I would prefer to wear this bag. And it's $350, so for a similar price, if you are looking for the same type of silhouette and can't find this Gucci version, that is an option. I love that it comes with a strap for the shoulder, but also a longer crossbody strap that you can also wear on your shoulder. Your girl loves options. This canvas was really clean. It's actually the brown tinted canvas, and there's no stains or anything. I did consider cleaning it like I did one of my other Gucci canvas bags, but that canvas was actually a lighter canvas. It just had a lot of stains on it. So I think I might just wait on this. But of course, if I decide to go ahead and clean it, I'll definitely film it so you can see what I use and how I do it, because I was really impressed with the results the last time I did have to clean the canvas bag. You saw earlier the corners were really great. There were no issues there, and the hardware is actually really great too. There's hardly any scratches, but there is this one tarnished spot over the C on the Gucci logo on that one zipper. I'm not wearing this for date night tonight, but I just wanted you to be able to see the dimensions of the bag on my frame. I love this top handle here. You can wear it in the crook of your arm, or you can actually put it on your shoulder. This is a crossbody strap, so it's definitely long enough to wear crossbody. It's a little big for that, in my opinion, but it does allow you to comfortably wear it on the shoulder. So this is how it sits on my frame. You can tell it's a very large bag. You can pack it full. It has a zipper, and with it being the untreated canvas, it's very malleable. Like, it can give a little bit of stretch even. I really like even oversized bags to just kind of fall on my shoulder. Isn't it so cute? I say cute, but it's a huge bag. This bag can fit everything in it. It's kind of like the same size as the Neverfull. I'll put the dimensions on the screen so you can tell for sure. So you can really stuff it. If you have any questions about this one, just ask me in the comments below. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. I have to go get ready for date night.